Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make honey shrimp. To start, ensure you have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. You'll need about 1 pound of large, fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined for convenience. For the sauce, gather 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a tablespoon of cornstarch. Don't forget 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Getting everything organized makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get the shrimp ready for cooking. It's crucial to pat your peeled and deveined shrimp thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is key for achieving that perfect sear. Next, in a medium-sized bowl, gently toss the dried shrimp with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Make sure each piece is lightly and evenly coated. This thin layer of cornstarch will contribute to a wonderful, slightly crispy texture when cooked, making every bite incredibly satisfying. While the shrimp is getting prepped, let's create our irresistible honey sauce. In a small bowl, combine 1/4 cup of honey with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Whisk these 2 ingredients together until they are well blended. Then, add your 2 cloves of minced garlic to the mixture. Stir everything thoroughly until you have a smooth, aromatic sauce. This sweet and savory concoction will be the star of your honey shrimp, providing a rich and glossy finish. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Add your cornstarch-coated shrimp in a single layer and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, until they turn pink and opaque. Then, pour your prepared honey garlic sauce over the cooked shrimp. Toss gently to ensure every piece is beautifully coated. Serve your delicious honey shrimp immediately, perhaps over some fluffy rice, for a truly delightful meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.